Want to increase market share, profits, customer communities? 1.7 billion tons of carbon emissions from plastics can be solved with logistics. Here's the argument. Recycled plastics are an average of 71% less carbon intensive than virgin resins. 1.8 billion metric tons of carbon emissions come from plastics, or 4.3x that of trucking. But take a look at this chart. 5% is secondary packaging, and the other 95% of the 1.8 billion tons is due to poor logistics. End of life, transportation, raw materials, and yes, even manufacturing could all have the carbon intensity reduced dramatically with a solid circular supply chain infrastructure. A possible reduction of 1.43 billion tons just in the availability of reprocessed plastics through better collection, processing, and transportation. If you eliminate end of life going into landfill, you get an additional 9% of the total, an additional 154 million tons, or over a quarter of that of just trucking. Now we're at 1.58 billion tons. And if you move the plastics through existing backhaul lanes, truckload, and LTL networks in conjunction with shippers and suppliers, well, now you're adding another 3%. And now you're at 1.7 billion tons, 4x that of trucking tailpipes. OPT USA Incorporated, for industry and planet.